In this tutorial, we'll talk about how to navigate a lesson in Buzz. Let's take a look at this lesson here, 1.01, Interpretations with American Drama. When I click on it, this is where I land. A lot of students mistakenly assume that this one page is the entire lesson, when in fact, this particular lesson has 6 pages of content. And it's important to go through each one carefully. To start, it's a good idea to be sure that you scroll all the way from the top to the bottom of every page in the lesson. There are 2 ways I can navigate from one page to the next in the lesson. I can click on one of these arrows to move back and forth, or I can use this drop-down menu. Let's take a look at what's on page 3. You'll notice on page 3 that there's a video of King Kong to watch. You should, of course, watch the video by clicking play. Often, there will also be a show text version option. It could be a good idea to look at both the visual option and the text version to make sure you truly understand the content. In some lessons, you'll be asked questions, and you can share your response. On other pages, you'll have an opportunity to participate in interactive lessons that allow you to check your own understanding. Let's click Begin. In this case, we're looking for a synonym to the word crevice. I'm going to click Submit, and I find out that, great job, I selected the correct definition. So I click OK, and from there, I can move on to the next page in that interactive lesson. When you get to the final page of the lesson, you'll be directed to the assignment. We'll talk about checking assignment instructions and rubrics in another tutorial.